To remove the transport bolts on Beko washing machine, first you will need to grab a wrench with the diameter of 13, and then there's 3 different bolts that you need to remove on the back of your washing machine. First one is right here, then another one right here in the middle, and the last one on the left. Now you need to take that wrench and start unwrenching the bolt clockwise. And first few swipes will take a bit of a force, so you can take your time here. So when the bolt goes freely, you can just remove it like that, and keep in mind that you need to do it for all of the 3 bolts, and for each of them there's also this clipper that you can just remove like that. And that's the entire process done, and that's everything. Also, after removing all of the transport bolts, you will need to get these plastic caps, which are also included, and apply them like this to each of the holes.